Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing a no sugar muffin recipe. Many of us are always looking for healthier sugar-free options, and this one is sweetened naturally with dates, not refined sugar. Let's get into the recipe now. First, soak 30 to 35 dates in 1.5 cups of hot milk. Make sure to remove the seeds before soaking. Let them sit until the dates become soft, then allow the mixture to cool slightly. Once cooled, grind the soaked dates into a fine paste. Transfer the dates paste to a mixing bowl. Add 1/4 cup of coconut oil and mix thoroughly until well combined. Now place a sieve over the bowl and sift in 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of baking powder. Sifting helps achieve a smooth texture. Add a pinch of salt and mix everything well, ensuring there are no lumps. Next, add half cup of mixed nuts and dry fruits. I used almonds, walnuts, pistachios and raisins. But I also added 1/4 cup of dark chocolate chips for a little extra flavor. Mix everything together until well combined. Now, line your muffin tray with muffin cups and fill each one with the batter until it is 3/4 full. Top them with your favorite toppings. I added chopped nuts and chocolate chips, but feel free to skip or customize it however you like. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 180 degrees Celsius, for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Your soft and delicious no sugar muffins are ready. Let them cool slightly before serving. Let's check the texture now. Wow, they are super soft and moist on the inside. And the taste, absolutely amazing. Even though I have a sweet tooth, I did not miss the refined sugar at all. The natural sweetness from the dates is just perfect. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more healthy recipes and travel vlogs. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.